Alright, we're back with another poker chip theory video. We're going to be looking at A Dorian. A Dorian is a major mode starting with the note A. You can look at it two ways. I have here the G major scale, the A major scale. So if we're going from A major scale, and below it here is the A Dorian scale, we're going to have the A major scale, 3 sharps of A major, A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp above. If we relate the Dorian mode to the major scale, we have taken the third note, the C sharp, and flatted it to C natural. We have A, B, C natural, D, E. F sharp is unchanged, and we have the 7th note, which has also been flatted from G sharp to G. Okay, so that's what we do on Dorian mode. We flat the 3rd note lower here, and we flat the 7th note. And it should sound, it sounds like this, right? You're going to have A, B, C. Okay, so we're talking about the Dorian scale. So clearly, Dorian A is the 2nd note of a G major scale. So you could think of it as a G major scale starting on the 2nd note. So simply A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, A. All right. Okay. Again, our chord tones of A Dorian are going to be alternating notes of the Dorian scale. So we're going to have our minor 1 chord, A, C, E is minor. The 2 chord of Dorian is also minor, B, D, and F sharp. The 3 chord is going to be major, C, E, G. The 4 chord, D, F sharp, A, is also major. Your 5 chord, E, G, and B is minor. Your 6 chord, G sharp, B, and D, is going to be diminished. And your 7 chord, G, B, D, is major. What do I say? F sharp, A, C. F sharp, A, C is diminished. Excuse me. And G, B, D. Okay. So in the Dorian mode, our 1st chord of Dorian is going to be a minor 7. A, in this example, A Dorian, A, C, E, G is a 3-4-3 position, root position, minor 7 chord. The 2nd chord is going to be B, D, F sharp, A, B minor 7. The 3rd chord is C major 7, C, E, G, B. Again, the 3rd chord of Dorian is always major. The 4th chord is a dominant, D, F sharp, A, C. Now, for the major chord, the position was a major 7. You have a 4-3-4 position, root position. For the dominant, you have a 4-3-3. So this is different from this, which is different from these two. These two are identical, 3-4-3 minor 7s. Third chord is 4-3-4 major 7, and the dominant 7 4 chord is 4-3-3. Again, this is usually referred to as a flat 3 major 7 because it's modal, so they call that a flat 3 major 7. 4 chords dominant again. The 5 chord is going to be minor, starting on E, 3-4-3 position, E, G, B, D. Right? And the 6th chord was starting on F sharp. We have F sharp, A, C, E, which is going to be half diminished or a minor 7 with a flat 5th. It's also 3-3-4 position. So minor 3rd, major 3rd. 3-3-4. Again, the 7th chord is going to be a major 7 in Dorian mode. In this case, G, B, D, F sharp. Okay, so here are our 7th chords in root position of our Dorian scale. We can talk about the inversions of these chords, starting here on the 1 chord. 1 chord of A Dorian is going to be A minor 7 again. A, C, E, and G. 3-4-3. Right? We move the root to the top. This gives us the first inversion of a minor 7 chord, which is 4-3-2. E, C, E, G, and A. Second inversion of minor 7 is 3-2-3 position. It's going to be the E, G, A, C. The third inversion is a 2-3-4 position, G, A, C, and E. Coming down, we have E, C, A, G, C, A, G, E, and A, G, E, C, back to root position, G, E, C, A. The 2 chord of Dorian is a minor 7. The A Dorian is going to be B, B minor 7, 3-4-3, B, D, F sharp, A, to 4-3-2, D, F sharp, A, B, to 3-2-3, F sharp, A, B, D, and third position 2-3-4, A, B, D, F sharp. Moving down, F sharp, D, B, A, D, B, A, F sharp, B, A, F sharp, and D, and A, F sharp, D, B, or B minor 7. Third chord is our C major 7, C, E, G, B. This is in 4-3 position, 4, 3, and 4 half steps. The C major 7 is C, E, G, B. In first inversion, we're going to have a 3-4-1 position, E, G, B, C. The second inversion, 4-1-4, G, B, C, E. The third inversion is 1, 4, 3, B, C, E, G. Moving down, G, E, C, B, E, C, B, G, C, B, G, E, and B, G, E, C. And C major 7. The fourth chord of Dorian, A Dorian, is going to be an A or a D dominant 7. Because fourth position in Dorian is where the dominant 7 lands from that scale. I know it's the 5 chord of major Ionian mode, but in Dorian it lands on the 4. It's shifted left 1. You can see everything's been shifted around 1 to the left. So the 4 chord is now your Dorian, 5 chord's minor, the 6 chord is half diminished, and your 7 chord is a major 7. So here the 4 chords dominant, D, F sharp, A, C, or 4, 3, 3 position. Here we have the 3, 3, 3, 2 position, first inversion. F sharp, A, C, D, or dominant 7 chords. The third inversion of second inversion dominant 7 chords is 3, 2, 4. A, C, D, F sharp. And third inversion is going to be 2, 4, 3. C, D, F sharp, A. Moving down, A, F sharp, D, C. F sharp, D, C, A. D, C, A, F sharp. And C, A, F sharp, D. Our 5 chord of A Dorian is an E minor 7, 3, 4, 3, E, G, B, D, 3, 4, 3. With E at the top, we have first inversion, 4, 3, 2 position, E minor 7, G, B, D, E. Here we have the 3, 2, 3 position of an E minor 7 with the 5th on the bottom, the B, D, E, G. And here we have a 2, 3, 4 position with the D on the top, D on the bottom, D on the bottom, 2, 3, 4, D, E, G, B. Right? Coming down is B, G, E, D. G, E, D, B. No, that's wrong. It's oh, no, that's right. Let's see. Was it E? Was it G, E, D, B? Right. Okay. Third back down. I can remember which one's the third. You have E, D, B, and G. In root position, D, B, G, E. Our 6th position chord of A Dorian is F sharp minor 7 flat 5, or a 3, 3, 4 position chord, 3, 3, 4. F sharp, A, C, E. It's a minor 7 flat 5 because C sharp is normally sharped for a 3-4-3 position. Minor 7. It's been lowered down to C natural, leaving us a 3-3-4, or a diminished fifth, lowered fifth from the F sharp minor to F sharp minor 7 flat 5. C sharp to C natural. I'm going to move this up. First inversion, minor 7 flat 5, is going to be 3-4-2, A, C, E, F sharp, to 4-2-3 position, C, E, F sharp, A, to a 2-3-3 position, E, F sharp, A, C. Moving down, C, A, F sharp, E, A, F sharp, E, C, F sharp, E, C, A, and E, C, A, F sharp for your F sharp minor 7 flat 5, your 6th position chord of A Dorian. Finally, the 7th position chord is a G major 7, G, B, D, F sharp, or 4-3-4 position. Move the G up to the top. We have B, D, F sharp, G. This is your 3-4-1 position. Here we have a 4-1-4, D, F sharp, G, B, and a 1-4-3, F sharp, G, B, D. Coming down, D, B, G, F sharp, B, G, F sharp, D, G, F sharp, D, B, and F sharp, D, B, G. Those are going to be your chords of the scale of the A Dorian scale.